welcome back to another video. We're going to do this review in 4K because this car deserves absolutely every pixel I can get for it. So the Corvette Z06, 650 horsepower, is a great car, the daddy of the Chevy performance world, but daddy just got an upgrade and the upgrade looks great. 755 horse, carbon ceramic, aero, 900 pound-feet of downforce off this wing to the point that it was ripping hatches off the car during testing. It is actually 100% as good as it looks. Heat soak issues in the Z06, of course, infamous. Whole new front end, looks great. Carbon fiber everywhere, splitters huge, downforce planes, this, that, the other. The new fins here look great. I actually got to sit in this car before it was actually officially revealed. Corvette sill plates, the only thing I wish they'd change, I wish they'd illuminate it or do something more special like they did in the Camaro, because the illuminated door sills are just the best. So we get in the interior, they have gloss carbon fiber rather than the flat carbon fiber they have in the Grand Sports. Much prefer it. It really makes it feel more substantial. Suede, diamond stitch suede. Everything about this is absolutely top notch. These seats are super supportive, but not hard. It's like that right balance. I'm wondering how the ride comfort is in comparison to the normal Corvette. And then, of course, I just want you guys to see this. Sitting here looking out over the hood, do you see this gigantic bulge right here? It doesn't really show well in the video if I put you at my eye level, but it is humongous. It's almost 4 or 5 inches up the window, and then the ZR1 logo directly in front. Just looks stellar. Frameless mirror, one of my favorite things GM ever did. It's just an absolutely gorgeous car, and everything about this car is the next level beyond a Z06, which I would still gladly own, but this thing here is just amazing. Huge kudos to GM for inviting me, huge kudos to GM for making it. It's really awesome. I really hope you guys get to check it out in person, because the pictures just don't do it justice on how exaggerated and how big and how bold and how exciting everything is. It's absolutely spectacular. More to come.